It's pumpkin and banana. The water, this one is the pumpkin and this is the palm sugar. Okay, we put it here and then I put the pumpkin. Gonna wait till all go up. This one already done. I put the coconut. That's it. I just put it half. Gonna stir it. Then now this is pumpkin. You can use for everything. Add salt, just little bit salt. Okay, I add some banana. It's pumpkin and banana. Okay guys, this is already finished. And then we're gonna serve it in the bowl. And here is ready my pumpkin and banana. And I hope you enjoy watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. Health food. Super. Yum. Best. There is it at night. And there is